So it is 6:52 in the morning. We're almost at higher ground. We're gonna drop off the car. The car's treating me well. So we're up to 8 miles right now. So we're almost there. I'll record when I get there. Hey guys, so it is now around like midday on a Friday. We dropped off the car this morning around 6:30 in the morning to higher ground, and we was gonna drop it off to get it tuned to then pick it up this afternoon to go to Subiefest. However, things aren't looking too good. Nothing too crazy, but from what Ken told me at higher ground, that the car isn't ready to tune. There's a few things that was wrong with it. One of them being that the downpipe, I think 2 or 1 nut wasn't bolted on all the way. That's my fault. I knew there was probably gonna be something behind my head was telling me something was gonna be off, because I rushed this job so much, and then I hurt myself on top of that multiple times, to the point where I took a couple resting days or resting weeks. So yesterday is when I started checking everything. I still had no leaks other than the leak that I had with the cooling mod. I had, not a leak, but when I was burping it, some of the coolant fell out. I did have oil leak on my new oil stainless steel lines. They weren't tightened all the way. So some of that was still there on the car. That's what he was questioning and he was asking me. There was a few minor things like vacuum hose on my EBCS that was split. That wasn't on me. That was already like that. The second thing, I think there was another vacuum hose to the turbo accumulator that wasn't on properly, and my brake booster hose clamp wasn't on properly, which I totally missed out. This is small things I should have paid attention to, but it went over my head and I was rushing. Other than that, that's just wanted to update you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna get the car. He definitely said it's not gonna get done today, so mine is gonna be at the bottom of the list probably next weekend. So let's see how everything goes. I'll get to you guys by next week, or I'll just catch you then. There's gonna be a second for you, but it's gonna be probably a week for me, so I'll see you then. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been probably a couple days after Subiefest. Well, it's about to be a week, because it's Thursday now. We do have this Subi back. We did fix everything on it. So everything that Ken has explained to us from higher ground has been addressed. I fixed everything. We sold the headlights. That's an update. I sold the headlights a couple days ago. We placed an order for the VLAN headlights, so those should be coming in by tomorrow. At the moment, car is semi-drivable. I did speak to a couple tuners. They did say I can drive the car without a tune, stay off a boost if I don't want a base map. As you know, or if you don't know, I sold my access port to Alex because no tuner wanted to tune my car because of the emissions. I don't have a secondary air pump, though I was trying to source one. But that's pretty much the update. Package. It took about 2 weeks, I want to say, but this is from Idoing because they sent me the wrong radio. So they sent me like this new kind of adapter piece that goes in the back to replace it. That's all that came in the bag. They sent me, I think, instructions on how to do it. So what we are going to be replacing is this whole piece comes out. There's all these little screws which we have to take out. They said to be very careful with it, and I can see why, because this is how it looks in the back. So let's see how this goes. That stays the same as this part, because this is incorrect. We got the piece. I'm gonna try to remove this, I'm assuming. I'm gonna open this real quick. So extra wires. And then we have the piece of the main component, which goes like this there. So we're gonna replace this old one. So it's about 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 5 screws. They said that there is 1 long screw. This is the long screw. Here, don't forget about this one by the green. needed a little push, but be careful with this though. So this is the one that they gave me. Got the new one. It's a little different. So it says 2299.
First things first, I'm gonna have to. I would have to disconnect the high to low
already. Gotta make sure all that matches and lines up. What is it though? I have no idea. So I was saying that's supposed to go in there, huh? Alright, I was able to pop it out because I didn't secure it. But it's just 3 tabs on the top. I think 1 on the side, on each side, and then these little tabs on the bottom as well. So I didn't even secure this back. I only had 2 screws holding it. This one and then this one. It's 4 screws though. The Idoing head unit here. Let me start plugging things in actually. Assuming this is the main connector that connects to all of the stuff. So I'm gonna see what they plug into before anything. I think this one goes here first and see how everything works without it. This plug that they provided goes to one of the plugs that doesn't go in here. And I don't know what the other ones go to. Oops. So that's all for the Idoing unit. I can't turn it on for you because the battery's not plugged in. And as that's what's happening, I realized my alternator nut wasn't secured at all. So it was completely loose. I did repair some of the what used to be rust. So before this, I will put a photo and how it is now. So I left it primer because I am gonna redo this engine bay. I just didn't want it to look rusty. So we gotta put the battery back on and we gotta put the new bumper on. This is the old bumper, I'm gonna throw it away. I just gotta keep the grill. This is the new bumper. We're gonna put the new bumper on her and she should be ready to go. We're gonna drive her around, put some miles on her. I'm waiting on a Humble Rumble kit, which hasn't even shipped out yet. They're out of stock. But yeah. I'll take out the fogs, which are held on by these 2 bolts, and then we're gonna pop these out. So we did everything. This is the old bumper. Damage here, broken there, bunch of damages here. This is what's salvageable. 1 fog light, 1 is completely gone. Okay, brand new one. So I don't think I'm gonna put the bumper on today. We'll save it for another day. I'll probably put the grill on, put these pieces on, and that's about it, and probably cover it back up. Well, that's about it. That's all I can do right now, because I didn't expect that. I do want new bolts as well. Might as well, you know, it's clean. Don't want to put anything old. So I'm gonna leave it here. Honestly, I'm gonna just leave it here. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one.